Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 6 is a second airplane called a squid bomber because the head of the airplane looks like a squid. Okay, first use rectangle shaped paper. Then first fold at the center and turn over the paper. This center line will be a nice guideline. Make a triangle for one corner and make sure that side of triangle should be on the center line. If the center line is not accurate, the figure of the airplane will be distorted later on. And do the same for the other side. Then turn over the paper. Then one end to fold at the center to make a wide triangle. Do the same for the both sides. Press and make it neat. It will automatically look like this. Then fold the top side triangle towards to the inside to cover the white portion. Again, press hard to make it neat. Then the next is fold at the center line. And fold neatly, of course. The next is the wing part. And the end of wing should be on the bottom of the airplane, the center line. Do the same for the both end. Open the wing and that's it. Okay, now it's a supplement video. Video always show the flow, so watch and do at the same time. Rectangle. In this part, the important thing is the center line. If center line is not accurate, then the whole figure is going to be distorted. Okay. Create the triangle to show the white side. When you do this, make sure always the side of triangle should be on the center line. Turn over the paper and fold long triangle like this. So when you do this, the white portion will come out naturally. Then top side of the triangle to cover the white portion. Then fold at the center. Then end of wing should be on the bottom of the airplane. Do the same for the other end as well, other side of wing. Okay, this is squid bomber. In Japanese called a squid airplane too. Oh, Grandpa Skylar is flying airplane. Okay, lecture 6 is done. 。    。  The next is lecture 7, which is a squid bomber.
「 The next is lecture 7, which is a squid bomber. 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」
Cessna. See you.